following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Itasca Police Department is searching for Lori Johnson, Hispanic, female, 15 years old, 5 feet 3 inches, 120 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing oversized hoodie or t-shirt, torn/ripped jeans, has braces on her teeth and 2 lines cut in left eyebrow. Police are looking for Joanna Barrientos, Hispanic, female, 18 years old, 5 feet 4 inches, 150 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes and unknown clothing description, front, sides, and back of hairline are shaved and has 2 lines cut in left eyebrow in connection with her abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Itasca, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in great or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Itasca Police Department at 254-687-2020. News media point of contact is Itasca Police Department at 254-266-9595.